Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hell Let Loose on Xbox. First, ensure the game is fully installed on your console. Next, dive into the settings to customize your controller layout and sensitivity. Finding your sweet spot is key for precise aiming and movement. Don't skip the in-game tutorial. It provides essential knowledge about the game's unique mechanics. Finally, always use a headset for clear communication with your squad and team. Hell Let Loose thrives on teamwork, so understanding your role is vital. Select a squad role that suits your playstyle, whether it's leading as an officer, healing as a medic, or providing supplies as support. Constant communication with your squad is paramount. Use your microphone to share enemy positions and coordinate attacks. Always follow your officer's commands to ensure strategic success and utilize the ping system effectively. The core objective in Hell Let Loose is to capture and hold sectors across the massive battlefields. Understanding supply lines and resource nodes is crucial for your team's success, as they fuel your efforts. Always use cover and move tactically. Rushing into open areas is often a quick path to defeat. Utilize your team's outposts and garrisons for strategic spawns, keeping you in the fight and close to the objectives. To truly excel, learn the intricate map layouts and identify key engagement zones. Mastering the ballistics of each firearm is essential for hitting targets at various ranges, requiring practice and precision. Collaborate with your engineers and support players to construct vital fortifications and defenses, strengthening your team's hold. Finally, always be ready to adapt your strategy. The battlefield is dynamic, and flexibility is a powerful asset for achieving victory.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.